How to transfer domain from GoDaddy to Squarespace. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to transfer domain from GoDaddy to Squarespace. Let's get started. On Squarespace account, go to Settings, then click on Domains and Email. Now, click on Domains, then click on Use a domain I own. Next, type in the name of your GoDaddy domain. Double check to make sure you enter the correct domain name. Once you enter it, Squarespace will show your domain details. Now, click on Transfer Domain. At this point, you need to go to your GoDaddy account. Log into your account and unlock your domain. You will also need to copy the transfer authorization code from your GoDaddy domain settings. Once you have the code, return to Squarespace. Paste your transfer authorization code in the field provided. Then, click Save and Continue. Take note that domain transfers can take up to 15 days once it completes. Your domain will be fully transferred to your Squarespace site. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer your domain from GoDaddy to Squarespace. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.